The biggest reason people stay broke isn't a lack of opportunity, it's their mindset about money. Grant Cardone's 10x rule states that middle class thinking is a trap. The rich don't just work hard, they work at scale. Wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about multiplying income streams. The middle class mindset teaches people to save and live below their means, while the rich focus on expansion, leverage, and assets. A core 10x money rule is simple. Never settle for one income because money loves speed and volume. Instead of focusing on comfort, small wins, and saving pennies, wealthy individuals prioritize cash-flowing assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses. If it doesn't make money, it's a liability. Poor people often hoard cash, fearing inflation, while the rich understand that saving money is actually losing money. They invest aggressively, keeping their money moving in high-value assets that appreciate over time. Similarly, the rich use debt to their advantage while the poor avoid it. A wealthy person borrows money to acquire cash-flowing assets, whereas a poor person saves for years without scaling their income. Debt isn't bad when used strategically, it's a tool for expansion. The poor often fall into the trap of cheap purchases, believing they are being smart, while the wealthy focus on value. Cheap is expensive in the long run. A low-quality suit might cost less today but needs frequent replacement, whereas a high-end suit lasts longer and enhances confidence in major business deals. The most significant reason people remain financially stuck is their limited mindset. Poor people think about survival, while the rich think about multiplying money. Financial success requires breaking free from traditional beliefs and focusing on stacking income, reinvesting, and growing fast. Schools don't teach financial independence, they prepare individuals to work for others. The wealthy take control of their financial education, studying business, sales, and investing in assets that generate wealth. No one is coming to save you. It's up to you to understand how money works and apply 10x thinking to your life. Stop thinking small and start thinking big. Prioritize income-producing assets. Invest instead of saving. And leverage debt for wealth creation. The key to success is shifting from a mindset of scarcity to one of expansion. Think in millions, not in thousands. Now that you understand the 10x money rules, what's your next move? Check out my next video on the top 3 ways to 10x your income fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a financial breakthrough.